Incredibly, the last video that I did with this beautiful lady, Cam, who did my lovely henna feet, you remember the video. If you don't, I'll have a link at the end of it, but I asked her to come and do a...
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm looking down, not at her feet, but my mehndi crown that she's...
literally gone from like head to toe, or toe to head.
We'll have to do like somewhere in between.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was natural for me to ask Cam to come back and do that. That video was a huge success, and thank you very much for watching that one. She's given me so much more confidence to go out in public and deal with my bald head. I have been out, but I did get a few stares, so if they're going to stare, I want them to stare at Kams mehndi. So you guys please follow her. I'm going to put all the links in the down bar below.
Sure.
Check out her Instagram, her work. It is so inspiring to me. You guys know I spent some time with her at her various henna hangs.
Yes.
And yeah, just thank you so much.
It's so amazing.
I cannot believe that you danced
amazing.
freehand, freestyled, and it's so you.
It is. I thought we stayed true to myself.
Very much Cam's signature.
Absolutely.
So please go ahead and watch the video. The beautiful
I hope you
Cam
like it.
has done this. Leave her some comments below. Let her know what you think.
And if you want to get it done, let me know.
incredible, the detail. When did you do all of this?
Look at the back, Nisha.
There's a rose in the middle. Yeah. I love the rose. Oh my gosh.
Look at the chops.
This is incredible.
Look at the things at the back.
Oh, I can't see the back. Masa will have to show me the back. But this is like, wow, wow. Cam, this is incredible.
I like it.
I think it's absolutely incredible. I'm trying not to squish my chains at the back. I think it's beautiful. It's very Cam. That is insane.
Thought I'd stay true to myself.
That, absolutely. Oh my gosh, it's so neat. Look at this detail. This detail here. How you manage that on a funny terrain with no arm balance, but no places to balance your hands and arms.
Yeah, it's a surprise to me too.
Wow. And how was it for with the hair? That there was no hair. Did you find a little bit? Was it rolling okay? It looks like it
was. Yeah, no, it was flowing quite well actually.
I need like a face that rotates.
The biggest thing probably not having able to rest my hands, but apart from that, I think it's still right.
You guys, this is Cam's first bald head cap.
It is. I've never done one before. A bit daunting, but I think we did all right, Nisha, didn't we?
How did you come up with this whole design concept?
I don't know. I think I just went with the flow. I knew I wanted to do like something in the middle. So initially I was thinking do reverse there, but when I did my sister's henna belly, I did the reverse there, so I thought let's do something different, and I love roses.
I love roses.
So yeah, I decided to do the rose in there, and because it's on the head and I wanted obviously to make sure it was a good stain, I tried to keep it quite bold, but still wanted to get the delicate touch in there, because obviously I wanted to make it quite feminine, which is why I did all these chains and the little droplets, so it kind of gives it that bit of a feminine touch.
Oh, I cannot wait. We've taken some awesome pictures which we'll share with you. So thank you guys for watching. Cam, thank you so much for being in my video. Come back again soon.
We definitely will.
You guys make a comeback. Leave her lots and lots of comments. Bye.
Bye.